Hi, this is Sheldon here with today's currency advisory report. Well, the US dollar index is at 79.78, which is up by 0.02 percentage points. Now, even though the inflation number for India has come in at a 3-year low of 7.18%, the rupee is not showing much strength against the dollar. Now, the current account deficit of India has also increased to $22.31 billion in the quarter ended September. We expect the RBI to go in for a rate cut on 29th of Jan. However, we do not foresee the repo cut to be greater than 25 basis points. Equities have rallied quite a bit in the last few trading sessions, with the Sensex crossing the all-important 20,000 psychological level. However, correspondingly, the dollar has not weakened much against the Indian rupee. Keeping these factors in mind, we advise our traders to go long on the dollar-rupee pair. Traders can buy the pair at around 54.70 level in the spot. Looking at the euro, well, the euro is trading at 1.3290 against the dollar. We had the Eurozone's trade balance figures coming yesterday for the month of November. Surprisingly, we witnessed a surplus of 11 billion euros with exports surging and imports remaining relatively flat. In fact, the biggest single improvement was reported from Italy, which swung to a 6.6 billion euro surplus compared to a deficit of 25.3 billion euros reported a year earlier. Now, this is a very positive development for the Eurozone. However, remarks from Jean-Claude Juncker, who heads the Euro group of finance ministers, that a strong euro is dangerous for the Eurozone will add further pressure on this pair. Now, we see the euro dollar moving back to previous highs of around 1.3400. In rupee terms, traders can go long on the euro-rupee pair at around 72.75 levels. Looking at UK, well, the British CPI figure came in yesterday and it held at 2.7% for the third straight month through December. Now, this level, which is above the target inflation of 2% by Bank of England, does not provide any cushion to introduce any sort of easing or stimulus in the markets. Traders can go long on the pound-rupee pair at around 87.80 level. In fact, we see the pound moving up a bit from here. Looking at the yen, well, the yen has come off its lows of 89.67 against the dollar. It's presently trading at 88.11. Now, we expect the yen to strengthen further to around 87.50 levels. In rupee terms, traders can go long on the yen-rupee pair. The yen strengthened after the comments of the economy minister that a weak yen will hurt the current situation in Japan. The Bank of Japan will adopt a 2% inflation target advocated by its Prime Minister at its Jan 21st and 22nd meeting. According to people familiar with the official discussions, this is what the report that we have received. So we expect the yen to strengthen for a couple of more trading sessions before this particular event happens. Now, traders can go long in the yen-rupee pair at around 61.85 levels. Let's wrap up with the technicals for today. Well, the dollar has a very strong support at 54.55 and a resistance at around 55 levels. The euro-rupee has a very strong support at around 72.86 and a resistance at around 73.50. The pound-rupee pair has a strong support around 87.40 and a resistance at around 88.43. And for the yen, there is a very strong support around 61.47 and a resistance around 62.30. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.